Rosabella Saffron Blend Honest Review. So, Rosabella Saffron Blend is marketed as a premium wellness tea that combines saffron with herbs and spices for mood, relaxation, and overall health. So, first, the taste and aroma. The blend has a rich floral aroma with saffron's distinct flavor balanced by other soothing herbs. It feels luxurious and calming, especially as an evening drink. And now the health benefits. Saffron is known for mood support, stress relief, and even aiding better sleep. Customers mention that feeling calmer and more refreshed after the consistent use, though results vary depending on the individual. So in terms of the value, it's on the pricier side compared to standard teas, but saffron itself is one of the most expensive spices in the world, so the premium cost is expected. The packaging is elegant and gift-worthy, making it stand out for personal use or as a wellness gift. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.